Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you'd be fine. This is Cambridge Lower Secondary Book 8, and we were doing chapter number 2, exercise 2.1. We are already done with few questions earlier, and now we'll start with question number 9, and we'll solve as many questions as possible in this video. So watch the video till the end and do not skip the video. So here it says this is part of Padro's classwork. Are Padro's answer correct? If not, write the correct answers for him. So what has Pedro done and what has been he asked for? Write an expressions for these. So let's first try to find out that what would be the correct statement, and then we will correct the answers. So for part A, it says 1/3 of x. It's 1 upon 3x, or you can say it's x over 3, both means the same. Add 4 into it. And what has Pedro written? Pedro has written the same thing, x over 3 plus 4. So that's correct. Already correct. Let's find out what mistake has been made in B. Let's see if there is any. 5 subtract 2/5 of 5. 5 subtract minus. It's not subtract 5. It says 5 subtract. There is a difference between the expressions. If it would have been like subtract 5 from, then we will write 5 after minus sign. But since it says 5 subtract, so we have to write 5 minus 2/5 of y. 2/5 means 2 upon 5, of y means y. So it's 5 minus 2/5 of y. That's the mistake, that he has not written it 5 minus 2 over 5y. He shuffled the places. So the sequence is wrong over here. Otherwise, the terms he has chosen are correct. Okay. Now the next question says, write an expression for each description. 1/2 of x add 5. 1/2 means 1 over 2. 1/2 means 1 over 2 x add 8 plus 8. It could be x over 2 plus 8 as well. Both are the same. X upon 2 plus 8. Okay. 3/4 of x. 3/4. 3/4 is 3 upon 4. Quarter is upon 4. Of x, subtract 12, so minus 12. It's not subtract 3/4 of x from 12. If it would have been that expression, then we would have written it 12 minus 3 upon 4x, okay? Then 7 add 4/5 of x. 7 plus 4 over 5 of x. And for the last one, 20 subtract 20 minus 5/9 of x, and that's all. Now we have to do the descriptions. So for the first one, x over 6 plus 2, we will write 1/6 of x, add 2. 5x over 7 minus 4, so 5/7 of x, subtract 4. Or you can write it as subtract 4 from 5/7 of x. Both are similar. Then the next one is 8 subtract 2/3 of x. The last one is 3 add 7/8 of x. That's it. Now, in the next question, it says, this is part of Maya's homework. Write an expression for the perimeter of this rectangle. Perimeter is the sum of all lengths of all the sides, and the area is basically the product of length and breadth. So both the length and breadth are given. All we need to do is to find the perimeter. We will add 1/3 of A 2 times, and then we will add 4B 2 times, and together it would be 2/3 of A and 8B centimeters. And for the area, we'll simply multiply length with the breadth. That is 1/3 of A with 4B. And the answer would be 4 over 3 AB centimeters square. The units that we use for perimeter would be centimeter, as given in the length and breadth. And for area, it would be centimeter square. Okay. So what do we have to do? We have to use Maya's method to write an expression for the perimeter and area of each of these rectangles. So according to Maya's homework, perimeter is equals to 1 over 2A plus 1 over 2A plus 6b plus 6b, and that's half plus half means 1 whole. So half into half is 2 over 2. That's 1 whole. We will write a plus 12b centimeters. Okay. And for the area, it's gonna be half a multiply by 6b, which is 6 upon 2ab, and we can simplify it. So it becomes 3ab centimeter square. And also let me show you how half plus half is 1 whole. You must know that half plus 2 halves make a whole. So it's actually the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators. It becomes 2 over 2, and that's 1 whole. Okay. Now the next one is part B, where we have perimeter is equals to 3 over 5d plus 3 over 5d plus 7c plus 7c. And that's gonna be, since the denominators are same, we can add 3 with 3. It will give us 6 over 5d plus 7c plus 7c. 7 plus 7 is 14c. So this is the perimeter, 6 over 5d plus 14 c centimeters, and for the area it becomes 3 over 5d into 7c, and that's 3 sevens are 21 cd over 5 centimeters. That's all, nothing else we have to do. Now the next question is a bit interesting. It says the shortest side of a triangle is y centimeters. That is, make a triangle over here. This is y centimeters. And then it says the second side is 3 centimeters longer than the shortest side. It's not 3 centimeters. It says 3 centimeters plus the shortest side. The shortest side is y centimeters. So it means the second side. If it's y centimeters, the second side is 3 centimeters plus y centimeters. And the third side is twice, means double, 2 times, 2 multiply by, as long as the second side. So what are we supposed to do? We will write it as 2 into 3 plus y. That's what you have to understand. The shortest side is y. The second side is 3 centimeters longer, 3 centimeters plus y. Third side is twice as long as the second side. The second side is 3 plus y. So if we will double it, it will become 2 into 3 plus y. Okay, so we have to write an expression in the simplest form for the perimeter. Perimeter is actually the sum of all the sides. And since we have to simplify it as well, so we will write it one by one. Y plus 3 plus y, the second side, we just have to add all of them, plus 2 into 3 plus y. Now we will apply the distributive law where applicable, and then we will find the total perimeter. So it's y plus 3 plus y plus 2 3s are 6 plus 2y. Now we will combine the like terms, so it becomes y plus 2y plus 3 plus 6. So we can add 3 with 6 and y plus 2y together. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by plus 9 centimeters. So the perimeter for this triangle would be 4y plus 9 centimeters. That's all. Now the next question says the price of 1 bag of cement is $C. So 1 pack of cement equals C dollars. The price of 1 bag of gravel is G dollars. And the price of 1 bag of sand is S dollars. We just have to find an expression for the total cost of 1 bag of cement. 1 bag of cement is already given. It's C. And 3 bags of sand. So it would be 3S. That's it. Then in part B, it says 3 bags of cement. 3C. 4 bags of gravel. 4G. You see? 3C. 4G. 6S. And done. We don't have to do anything else. Just read the statement and convert it into expressions. Question number 14 is exactly the same. The price of 1 kilogram of apples, 1 kg of apples equals A. 1 kilogram of bananas is B. 1 kilograms of carrots is C. As their names starts from the letters, they have used the same variables. A for apple, B for banana, C for carrots. So it's not difficult to memorize it. Write an expression for the total cost of 1 kilograms of apples. So it's 1A. You will write A. 1A and A are the same. We do not write 1 with the variables. It's obvious that the coefficient is 1. Half a kilogram of bananas. So half is 1 over 2B. That's it. Or you can write it as B over 2. 1 over 2B and B over 2 are the same. Similarly, in part B, it says 2 kilograms of bananas. So this time it would be 2B. And 3 quarters. So 3 quarters is 3 over 4. You must know these names of fractions. 3 quarters, 1 quarter is 1 over 4. 3 quarters is 3 over 4 of a kilograms of carrots. So 3 over 4. See? And then 3 kilograms of apples. Now we have 3A. A quarter of a kilograms of banana. A quarter means 1 over 4B. Or you can write it as B over 4. 4/5 of 4 over 5 kilograms of carrots. So it's 4C over 5 or 4 upon 5. C both means the same thing. In the next question, we are provided with 4 different descriptions along with 4 expressions inside a bubble. And what are we supposed to do? We just have to match these descriptions with the correct expression in the given cloud. So Brad thinks of a number Y. Choose the correct expression from the cloud for when Brad adds 5 to 1/2 of Y. 1/2 of Y is 1 upon 2Y. So that's here. 1 upon 2Y is equals to Y upon 2. Where do you find it? Inside the bracket. Then multiplies by 6. So if it adds 5 to 1/2 of Y. So this one adds 5 to 1/2 of Y. Then multiplies by 6. So this is part A. Adds 6 to 1/5 of Y. 1/5 of Y is Y over 5. 1 upon 5Y plus 6. Then multiplies it by 2. So which one? Here it is. Okay. Y over 5 plus 6 multiply by 2. Then comes adds 2 to 5/6 of Y. 5/6, 5Y over 6 plus 2. Where do we have it? Here it is. 5Y over 6 plus 2. Then multiplies it by 6. So this one is C. And the last one adds 5 to 2/5 of Y. 2/5, 2 over 5. Here it is 2 over 5Y. Add 5 into it. So it becomes 2Y upon 5 plus 5. Then multiplies by 6. So this one is D. And here we have completed this whole exercise. Inshallah, in the next video, we'll start with the next exercise. Until then, take care. Do subscribe to my channel if you are new. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.